My teaching style is really hands-on, and it's constantly changing depending on the needs of my students. I would love to have a bigger space.
Teaching space is at a premium, and posted dry erase surface gives me a whole nother teaching station.
It's nice to have working spaces for them throughout the entire room and not just at their desks.
It's pretty limitless what you can do with the dry erase surface. Put it on top of things, on sides of things.
You cut it, you stick it on, and there you have it.
We took the large roll of the Post-it dry erase surface and we cut it into smaller sheets and we put it on each student's desk. So now each student has their own surface right there at their fingertips.
Getting out the mini whiteboards takes a lot of teaching time. By having the Post-it dry erase surface, the students just take out a marker and we're ready to go. So I've eliminated that transition time, which then has increased my teaching time by hours and hours over the course of a school year.
The kids have sort of revived this desire to write again.
It's a much larger work surface than any tablet is ever going to give. Kids need to write out the solution, not draw with their finger. The kids need to do the writing.
The installation was super easy.
I had one of my students come over and we measured the area we were going to put it up on. It took us longer to measure than it did to stick it up. This would be a product that would be beneficial in any classroom. I mean, it can transform a regular table into a collaborative, interactive surface between kids.